How to short crypto on Binance Futures trading. Now, to short crypto on Binance Future trading, what you can do is you can open a margin account and deposit funds. So once you've opened up your margin trading account, by the way, and deposited some funds, you can just go to the futures section. So open your Binance app and you can just go to this futures section from the Binance Pro version and select USDM or another derivative that you would be able to find here. Now you can transfer the funds to your derivative wallet account, and once done, you can enter the order details and select sell or short option that you'd be able to find. Now when you short crypto, you're essentially borrowing cryptocurrency from Binance Futures with the intention of buying it back at a lower price and making a profit from the difference. To do this, you can set a stop loss order to limit potential losses. For example, if you want to take a profit when the price reaches $19.200 and set your stop loss at $19,000, you can do so before selecting sell or short. Margin trading can be risky because leverage can increase both gains and losses, and it's important to manage your positions carefully and implement strong risk management strategy. I hope this video helped you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.